I came here to Liebman Wellness Center. My boy Jude told me about it. I've been suffering for months with this shoulder thing. He told me about this shockwave treatment and this magnet thing, I don't know what you call it. And I said, yeah, I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna try it out. I didn't believe him. I got like 6 treatments and my shoulder is good as new.
Hi, I'm Judy. I came to see Dr. Derek because my back hurt. I couldn't feel my toes when I walk. I got this red light therapy and I did the lasers and all the machines in the office. Would you know it? Now I can feel my toes, my back doesn't hurt. I feel wonderful. If you're not feeling well, please see Dr. Derek.
So these programs really work. So I've had peripheral neuropathy for a lot of years. It was really getting bad, and I was really getting quite alarmed because I had no way out. Nothing worked. I'm not going to medications or foot amputations or any of that stuff. But this has truly been a lifesaver for me. I have so much gratitude for this office, particularly my friend, Dr. Bruno.
Getting my life back, which is wonderful, without pills, without surgery, which I really refuse to do. I don't want to do it. And I recommend everybody to come and talk to them. You'll be amazed. You'll be very surprised what you see. And give it a shot. Try. You have nothing to lose, only gain.
And once we got going week after week, about the second week into the third week, I started seeing improvement, and I was so grateful until we went, and it got better and better, and I couldn't thank him enough for what he's done and his staff done. I am so grateful and so thankful for what I've came through and what he's brought me through. Thank you so much, Doctor.
It's really my honor.
Couldn't stand up. I was in severe pain, and I didn't know where else to go. And my sister-in-law recommended me to you guys. And all your doctors are tremendous.
And I think I'm on my 14th treatment. Within my first treatment, there was a 40% improvement. I have been able to walk into stores with my wife. I have been able to go places and do things with my family that I haven't been able to do for the past 22 years. So I am absolutely amazed, and I could not be more appreciative of the fine work that I've had done and performed on me here.
5-6 years easy.
5 or 6 years of pain, and you saw changes on your first couple visits.
My first time on that machine.
Your very first time.
My very first time.
And now from 0% to 100% better, how do you feel?
90% better.
90% better.
Yeah.
I started out with my feet, and then went to my back and my neck, and I see a big 85 and maybe even 90% improvement.
I would feel extreme pain, and I would have to sit down and take breaks every 15-20 minutes. And now I can go 2 to 3 hours without taking a break. So I feel like I'm getting back to my old self. And I just cannot express the enthusiasm I have about this program. It absolutely works.
Hey guys, it's Dr. Derek here with the Reverend Bob Levy again. We had a couple updates and wanted to share a little bit.
Yes, I mean, it's been how many weeks now?
2 or 3. Not
yeah.
long.
Not
long.
I'm actually, I'm getting a feeling back in my toes. The migraines, I really haven't had one since I've been here.
Started.
So, and this has been, I went to my surgeon for neck surgery I'm supposed to be getting yesterday, and they said, now they're like, maybe we don't have to do the neck surgery, and it's like amazing.
I came here to the Wellness Center because of the neuropathy that I had from my chemotherapy. I had neuropathy in my hands, my feet, and the muscles of my leg. The doctors just tell you to wait. And when the pain becomes too great, we have pain medicine for you. And there's nothing, that we were told nothing. And at the end of this 2-year period, I found that my neuropathy was still increasing. It was getting worse. And it got to the point where I was becoming very frightened that my feet were almost gone. I just had lost my total perspective of the ground, and my muscles were spasming and cramping, and it was just very difficult to walk, and I had started to use a cane. Well, I heard about the Wellness Center, and I attended one of their lectures. And I really, at this point, I wanted to try something. It made sense, and I wanted to try it. And I came here, and I have been very pleasantly surprised at how the therapy has released the frozenness of my feet, how I have gotten feeling back in my toes so that I have an awareness of the ground when I walk. I no longer use a cane. So I wanted to tell you that I had to go for a biopsy. And afterwards, the radiologist was going through the various, no shower, when you can shower, when you can go to the gym, when you can't, yes, no, and then I spoke up and said, well, I've been having some electric therapy on a scrambler, and I wanted to know if I could continue doing that, and she had automatically did one of her, yes, and then she had a pause and absolutely spun back to me, and said yes, vigorously, and I believe her exact words were, studies have shown that electric therapy promotes healing. Those were her exact words. And that gave me a sense of confidence that what I was doing was correct. What I was feeling was not just something in my head, that I was truly had improved my feet, my legs, my muscles. And this was a real eye-opener. And I'm very happy